Hi students, so today we are going to see sum number 4. Can you draw a triangle which has exactly one line of symmetry? Second subdivision, exactly two lines of symmetry. Subdivision C, exactly 3 lines of symmetry. Fourth subdivision, no lines of symmetry. Sketch a rough figure in each case. So we have to draw a triangle based on these conditions. Okay, so let us see the first condition, that is first subdivision, exactly one line of symmetry. So we have to draw a triangle with only one line of symmetry. So can we draw a triangle with one line of symmetry? ஒரே ஒரு line of symmetry வச்சு நம்மளால triangle வர முடியுமா? Yes, we can draw. What is a triangle? It is isosceles triangle. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So shall we draw this? Yes. So isosceles triangle in the sense that two sides will be equal. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. So this is answer for first subdivision. Second subdivision, subdivision B, exactly two lines of symmetry. Now just think of whether there is a triangle, if there is any triangle with two lines of symmetry. ரெண்டு லைன் ஆஃப் சிமெட்ரி இருக்கிற மாதிரி ட்ரையாங்கிள் ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. We know equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and then right angle triangle, isn't it? So here there is no triangle with two lines of symmetry. So two lines of symmetry இருக்க மாதிரி எந்த triangle நமக்கு கிடைக்காது. So the answer is no. The answer is no. Subdivision C, exactly three lines of symmetry. Now we have to draw exactly three lines of symmetry. Can you think of? Yes, it is equilateral triangle. Yes, it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal, isn't it? So if I have 5 centimeter, here will be 5, here will be 5. So all the sides will be equal and we have three lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so three lines of symmetry. Three lines of symmetry. Next, fourth subdivision, no lines of symmetry. No lines of symmetry, then what will be the triangle? It is a scalene triangle. Yes, we can draw a triangle that is a scalene triangle. It is a scalene triangle. So in scalene triangle, all the sides will be different. So in scalene triangle, all the sides will be different. So there is no line of symmetry. So these are the answers for fourth question. Now let us move towards the fifth question. On a squared paper, sketch the following. So we have to take a squared paper. Either you can take a square paper or a graph. A triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So in a square paper, we have to draw a triangle. In this triangle, we should have only horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry means only a straight line, just like this. Okay, horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. We should not draw any vertical line of symmetry. So let us see that. So here I had taken a squared paper. So we have to draw a triangle with horizontal line of symmetry, but there should be no vertical line of symmetry. So let us draw the triangle. So if you just use the scale, the line will be perfect. So we had drawn a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry, but there is no vertical line of symmetry. So this is the answer for option A, the subdivision A. Next, second question, a quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry. So here we have to draw a quadrilateral with both horizontal and as well as vertical line of symmetry. So let us draw. So for that you just consider a quadrilateral. So you just draw a quadrilateral. We should have both the horizontal and as well as vertical line of symmetry. So horizontal and as well as vertical. So we are having horizontal and as well as vertical line of symmetry. So this is the answer for subdivision B. Next, subdivision C, a quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So we should have a quadrilateral with only horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும், vertical line of symmetry இருக்கக்கூடாது. So subdivision C, let us draw a quadrilateral with only horizontal line of symmetry. So only horizontal line of symmetry. So if I just fold, the two sides should be overlap to each other. So only the horizontal line of symmetry, there is no vertical line of symmetry. So the vertical line of symmetry ன்றதை நம்மளால வரைய முடியாது, ஏன்னா ஈக்குவலா டிவைட் ஆகாது, ஹரிசாண்டலா மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு டிவைட் ஆகும். So this is the answer for subdivision C. Next, fourth subdivision, a hexagon with exactly two lines of symmetry. So we have to draw a hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. Okay, so we have to draw a hexagon with the two lines of symmetry. So let us draw the hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. So this is a hexagon. So we have exactly two lines of symmetry. So with exactly two lines of symmetry. Okay, so this is the answer for subdivision D. So the a hexagon means 6 sides with 2 lines of symmetry. So vertical நம்ம fold பண்ணலாம், horizontal நம்ம fold பண்ணலாம், so that we will get two equal halves, and moreover it overlaps to each other. Last subdivision, a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. So we have to draw a hexagon with 6 sides with 6 lines of symmetry. So 2 lines of symmetry in hexagon நம்ம சின்னதா வரைஞ்சோம், 6 lines of symmetry in hexagon கொஞ்சம் பெருசா நம்ம வரையலாம், so that we can easily get the 6 lines of symmetry. So we have to draw a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. So we had drawn the hexagon. So now let us draw the lines of symmetry. So we had drawn a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. So 1, this is 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So we had drawn 6 lines of symmetry in a hexagon. Sixth question, trace each figure and to draw line of symmetry if any. So just we have to draw this diagram and we have to trace if there is any line of symmetry. So just to look subdivision A. So here can we have any line of symmetry? If I draw just like this, if I just draw a line of symmetry here, definitely if I fold this it won't overlap. If I drawn here, I won't get overlapping, I won't get any overlaps. So there is no line of symmetry for subdivision A. So no line of symmetry. First one answer is no line of symmetry. Now just look to subdivision B. So here we are having a line of symmetry, isn't it? So what will be the line of symmetry here? This is the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. So this is the answer for subdivision B. The next third question. Here, what are the lines of symmetry? So here I can draw 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So 4 lines of symmetry. So we can have 4 lines of symmetry. The next is subdivision D. So here we can draw 2 lines of symmetry, isn't it? Just look. 1, 2. 2 lines of symmetry. And for subdivision E, so we will be having only 1 line of symmetry. If I just fold this, it gets overlapped equally. And in subdivision F, we can draw a line of symmetry here, that is in vertical, and as well as here also horizontal. And then we can draw here, and similarly we can finish off with here. So this is the answer for, these are the answers. Next, 7th question. Consider the letters of English alphabets A to Z. List among them the letters which have a vertical line of symmetry like A, horizontal line of symmetry like B, no lines of symmetry. So we are having English alphabets from A to Z, isn't it? So in this A to Z, which alphabets is having vertical line of symmetry? Which alphabets is having vertical line of symmetry? So what are the alphabets? A, H, I, M, O, P, U, V, W, X, Y. So these alphabets have vertical line of symmetry. That is, if I just consider the letter A, so vertical line of symmetry, A kana vertical line of symmetry idu. So idu just fold panna namakku equal ah kedaikum. Similarly, if you consider H, so vertical line of symmetry is, we can obtain vertical line of symmetry. So equal ah namakku fold pannona namakku equal ah irukum. Next I. So if I just consider I, vertical line of symmetry will be there. And for M, vertical line of symmetry. For O, and similarly for T, for U, for V, for W, for X, next Y. So this is answer for subdivision A. Subdivision B, we have to write the alphabets which is having horizontal line of symmetry. So for that the answers will be B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. So all these alphabets is having vertical line of symmetry. Sorry, horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry in the sense that so if you just consider B, we will be having horizontal line of symmetry. C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. The next subdivision C, no lines of symmetry like Q. So we have to list out the alphabets which have no line of symmetry, that is it should not have any horizontal and as well as vertical. எந்த ஒரு symmetries-உம் இல்லாத alphabets என்னென்ன அப்படி நம்ம லிஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். So F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z. These alphabets have no line of symmetry. So F நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம்னா நம்ம வெர்டிகலாவும் நம்ம ஹரிசாண்டலும் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது, வெர்டிகலாவும் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ ஈக்குவலா இருக்காது. ஸோ இதுல எந்த ஆல்பபெட்ஸ்க்குமே நமக்கு ஹரிசாண்டலும் இல்லை வெர்டிகலும் இல்லை. ஸோ நோ லைன்ஸ் ஆஃப் சிமெட்ரி. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஆன்சர் ஃபார் சப்டிவிஷன் C. 8th question, given here are figure of a new folded sheets and designs drawn about the fold. In each case, draw a rough diagram and complete the diagram that would have been that would be seen when the design is cut off. So here it is, here in this diagram, in this figure, the folded sheet is given. அதாவது fold பண்ணி வச்ச பார்ட் தான் இங்க இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த இது வந்து விரிச்சோன்னா இந்த டயக்ராமை நம்ம வந்து இந்த ஃபோல்ட் பண்ண இந்த பேப்பர் ஃபோல்டிங்கை விரிச்சோன்னா என்ன ஷேப் கிடைக்கும், what is the complete diagram. So whenever we fold this folded sheet, what is the complete figure which we will get. So for this diagram, let us see. So if we just consider here, if I just open the folded part, we will get the diagram like this. So இதை fold பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பார்ட் கிடைக்கும், ஓப்பன் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பார்ட் வரும். So this is answer for, with definitely it has one line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry. So if you just fold it, you will definitely get the same shape. And for the second diagram, with line of symmetry. That is, if you just fold this, you will get this patch. Okay, so இது folded ஆன ஒரு diagram. இது open பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு இந்த ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும், இந்த complete figure நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். So these are the answers for 8th question.